welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, my dear subscriber, my dear viewers? I have many prayers for you. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Hello friends, in this video I will show you the new hairstyles of haircuts. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, in this video you will see the stylish and most beautiful outstanding hairstyles. Also you will see hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas about new haircuts. All haircuts are very awesome and very beautiful. My dear friends, I always try to be useful haircuts, stylish content for you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. Today I will be showing you the worldwide best fashion. So please my friends, watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today you can see kids fashion and different styles of haircuts and different styles of hairstyles. Please my friends, watch my video till the end and never missing any my designs and any hairstyles of our video. Also don't forget to clicking the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will see the all notification of my latest video. I want to tell you that I am not selling the product or any selling of the haircut and hairstyles. So this video is only made for you guys. So please friends, support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video, you will see the amazing haircuts, hairstyles and gorgeous looking hairstyles. These designs are very beautiful. You can cut your hairs on different parties, wedding functions and informal functions. These hairstyles will be available of any color. You can buy it easily and from cut your hairs. Friends, in this video I will show you the best and new hairstyles. So friends, watch my video till the end. You can see different hairstyles and haircuts. If you can easily do haircut with your hairstyles, I promise you cannot stop yourself to telling you, oh, I am looking so pretty, so beautiful. These haircuts are very specially for you guys. Please take it. I always tried my best to something new for you. These hairstyles are looking very beautiful, very gorgeous, very attractive. These different styles of haircut, you can wear these styles on in official parties, in informal functions. All these types of